How to create flashcards using AI. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and log in with your account. Next, tap the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This will open the Create menu with several options. To use AI, you can either choose Upload a file or Record lecture. Both of these allow the AI to automatically generate flashcards for you. Next, if you upload a file, simply choose the document you want to study from your device. If you record a lecture, allow the apps to process the audio. In both cases, the AI will analyze the content and instantly create flashcards for you. Next, after you upload a file or record a lecture, the AI summarizer screen will appear. Here enter a title for your set and then select flashcards under What should we create. You can also choose the language, decide how detailed you want the content to be, and adjust other options like format or page range. Once you have set your preferences, tap Continue. The AI will then process your material and automatically generate flashcards based on the content you provided. Now you know how to create flashcards using AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.